Becoming an AI authority. To understand how AI determines authority, one must look at the intersection of data science, linguistic analysis, and digital verification. Unlike a human who might judge a source based on a single impressive credential, an artificial intelligence system evaluates a source through a complex matrix of mathematical weights and cross-references across billions of data points. AI systems determine authority by analyzing the statistical frequency and context of a brand or individual across their entire training dataset and the live web. When a specific name or organization is consistently mentioned alongside a specialized topic by other established sources, the AI creates a mathematical association known as an entity. The strength of this entity depends on how many independent, reputable domains, such as news outlets, academic journals, or industry-specific databases, corroborate the information. If multiple high-quality sources cite a particular author, the AI assigns a higher confidence score to that author's claims. Modern AI search engines and large language models utilize the EEAT framework: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This means the system looks for specific markers such as first-hand experience in a field, formal credentials, and a history of factual accuracy. For instance, an AI will prioritize a medical response from a verified clinic over a general lifestyle blog because the clinic's domain is linked to professional registries and cited by peer-reviewed studies. The system also monitors negative signals, such as frequent retractions or contradictions of established facts, which lower a source's authority ranking. Authority is also measured by semantic depth, which refers to how thoroughly a piece of content covers a topic. AI models evaluate whether a source provides specific, granular details or merely repeats surface-level information found elsewhere. Content that includes technical specifications, original data, and clear methodologies is weighted more heavily than generic summaries. Furthermore, the technical structure of the information, such as the use of clear headings and structured data, schema markup, helps the AI parse and categorize the information as a primary source of truth. To increase your potential to be used as an authority, you must focus on building a consistent digital footprint that emphasizes your unique expertise. This begins with producing original research, proprietary data, or unique case studies that do not exist elsewhere on the internet. When you publish data that other writers then cite in their own work, you become a primary source in the AI's knowledge graph. This secondary citation by other sites acts as a verification of your authority, signaling to the AI that your information is the standard for that specific subject. You should aim to strengthen your entity recognition by standardizing your presence across all major digital platforms. This involves ensuring your name, professional title, and area of expertise are identical across your website, social media profiles, and industry directories. Using structured data, such as JSON LD schema on your website, allows AI crawlers to identify exactly who authored a piece and what their qualifications are. When the AI can easily link a person's name to a specific field across different databases, it is more likely to cite that person when a relevant query arises. Improving your visibility in AI responses requires a shift towards answer engine optimization, where you structure content to be easily extracted. You should lead your articles with direct, concise answers to industry-specific questions, followed by in-depth supporting evidence. Using formats that AI favors, such as bulleted lists, comparison tables, and FAQ sections, makes your data highly scannable for the model's retrieval algorithms. By providing information in these structured, self-contained modules, you increase the mathematical probability that an AI will select your text as the most relevant snippet for a user's answer. A high authority score is not permanent. It requires constant maintenance through temporal relevance or freshness. AI systems prioritize recent data, especially in fast-moving fields like technology, finance, or science, because older information may be obsolete. Regularly updating your cornerstone content and adding new insights ensures that the AI perceives your site as an active, current authority. Additionally, avoiding contradictions across your various published works is essential, as internal consistency builds the trust component of the AI's evaluation, confirming that your data remains reliable over time. Finally, you must actively seek mentions in high-authority third-party publications to expand your citation network. Contributing guest expert commentary to reputable journals or participating in industry-specific podcasts creates co-occurrence signals. When your name appears in the same digital context as other known experts, the AI's algorithm begins to group you with those established authorities. This external validation is perhaps the most powerful way to signal to an AI that you are a trusted figure in your field. For more informative videos on AI and business development, we welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.